Hi everybody. I'm literally laying in bed with a kitty on my lap, surrounded by doggies and kitties. I'm gonna shotgun this and see if she'll stay here. This is gonna be hard to do while laying down. Okay, it's back to the old sideways deal.
She totally has her hand on your crotch right now.
Oh god. That didn't work too well. The beer's not going down like it's supposed to.
Mickey, come here.
That's okay. She can stay. I just need to learn how to like drink sideways. That's all. Gravity isn't helping. That's the problem. Okay. Show me your booty. Yeah.